Hello, 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 and welcome. Welcome to the TV Room. David Bradley here. You may remember an episode or two or three or however long ago, I said, oh, look, I've got a dead MPS-801 printer ribbon. And the MPS-801 was indeed a Commodore printer that had not the best character set, but a friend of mine and his family started a business called Atlanta Arts, where you could get a different EEPROM and make the character sets as best as it could be, with, as they say, a true descender. That was where things went weird. Small letters did not descend below the line. Anyway, so I had this thing, and it's ruined. It is. Like, the ribbon is broken. There's no hope. There is no hope. There's nothing. I'm going to toss this thing. But then I thought, before I do that, I just gave a little yank on the top piece, which is here, and it came off. I said, ooh, looky, looky. I can see inside the ribbon. So I said, I think I'm going to have a look-see. So that is what is inside the ribbon from an 801. Indeed, it's a ribbon, but look, it's all, I don't know how it doesn't all get tangled, but somehow it doesn't. This little thing is how you could turn to advance it, and I guess that's the thing that actually touches the ribbon. And it was all, contained in there, and it had nowhere to go. And it would get pushed in the one side, pulled out the other, and round and round and round it go. There was also, this one didn't have it. I don't think. I can't turn it over. There was also kind of a re-inking thing that came along outside. It was a little cartridge. I can show another ribbon at another time. And you can see. There it is. There's the little ribbon. All coiled up. And I don't know how long it is. But there it is. Anyway, there's nothing to do with this. This will be thrown out. It will be turfed. It will be. I just thought it would be interesting to look inside. See what's going on. And of course I could, if I was so, I could pull on this. And then you can see more and more of the ribbon will come out and come, like, basically uncoiled. And there's a lot of it. There is. There is. It's been here for a very long time. And I suppose if I was really interested, I don't know how long this thing is, but I'll just pull it all out. Because it's ruined. I guess I can turn this over, because this one does not have the re-inking thing. It does not. Here. That's the top. Sorry. That's the bottom where everything is. That's the top that I pried off. And there. That's it. That's what we all printed with. So that, if you've ever wondered, what's inside your printer ribbon? There it is. And I think it's a miracle that they didn't jam up more. But it all looks okay. Anyway, so people say I don't get rid of things. I'm getting rid of this. Up goes the weasel. Done, done, done. Thanks so much for being here. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.